Navy sailor Jermiah Copeland's attorneys are fighting his pretrial confinement days before his case is set to go to trial.
Attorneys have confirmed Copeland is expected to take a plea deal in the death of Seaman Angelina Resendiz. Madison Schlegel has stayed on top of this case for us and has more from today's hearing.
Jermiah Copeland, quote, hasn't been treated humanly. Those are words direct from Copeland's defense attorney during court at Naval Station Norfolk. They argue he's been unlawfully held in maximum confinement for nearly a year. The defense is looking for a 3-to-1 credit toward any future sentence, saying the conditions of confinement amount to punishment prior to trial by commanders who oversee the brig. The government argued Copeland's charge sheet warrants his confinement, saying he strangled multiple adult victims leading up to the killing of Angelina Resendiz. And longtime advocates of the case, like League of United Latin American Citizens Representative Ana Luisa Carrillo-Tapia, questioned why Copeland wasn't put in pretrial confinement when the first charges against him were being investigated.
Procedurally, you have somebody that habitually is doing the same, being aggressive, sexual assaults.
In Friday's hearing, we also heard about multiple disciplinary reports filed since Copeland's been in custody. Those reports filed in March of this year include Copeland punching a wall while in confinement and other reported frustrations he's had with staff. After those reports were filed, it limited Copeland's ability to meet with his attorneys, with the defense saying it's put undue stress on Copeland's mental health and his attorney's ability to put their case together. Copeland's attorney did make it clear that he intends to enter a plea agreement on Monday, a decision Marshall Griffin, Resendiz family attorney, says was expected.
I don't think that they've handled this case in a way that I would say is distinguishable from cases I've worked with in them. They were exceedingly professional. They told us the things they were supposed to tell us when they were supposed to tell them to us. I think that they've been very sensitive to what Esmeralda's going through and what the family's going through.
The judge decided he'll rule on the confinement matter during sentencing of this case, which is expected early next week. Madison Schlegel, 13 News Now.